Are you planning to do business activities in the USA? Are you facing difficulties in getting an American business visa? Are you confused about the process? Well, we are here to help you. Hello everyone, we are BTW Visa Services, one of the top visa service companies in India, and through this video, we hope to educate you on all you need to know, such as the documents, the procedure to be followed, the fees, and everything else that is required to get your US business visa. The United States of America is an economic giant with extremely developed scientific, medical, technological, and industrial fields. The US is home to a number of Fortune 500 companies, and as a result, it has attracted businessmen from all over the globe. However, entry into the US is not easy. You will require something known as the B1 visa, or more commonly known as the US business visa. The list of documents: a travel itinerary, a proof of accommodation such as hotel bookings or an invitation letter from your host, a covering letter from the sending company stating all the details of the visit, an invitation letter from the American establishment, or entry tickets to trade fairs or conferences, etc. How to apply for this visa? Let us now take a look at how you can apply for the US business visa. Stay duration, validity, fees, and the processing time. The fees for the business visa is dependent on the foreign exchange rates. It also includes the biometric charges as well as any express processing charges. As a result, it is suggested that you check the exact amount before starting your application. When you have this visa, once you have received this visa, you must keep in mind the following crucial points to ensure that you have a pleasant journey. Before traveling, ensure that you carry all the travel documents with you, along with the visa stamped in your passport. Possessing the visa alone does not let you entry into the US. The US Customs and Border Patrol at the port of entry have the authority to allow or deny you entry into the US. While you are in the US, you cannot take part in any work or employment related activities. You must strictly abide by the US immigration laws.